For today's purposes, we're going to be using a DJI M30. We're going to be going ahead and collect photogrammetry data with this unit. This drone has rangefinder, it's got thermal, we have RGB cameras, we have wide angle RGB camera as well. It's 360-degree avoidance. You can see the sensors on it here. We have FPV cameras, LiDARs, all the sensors all the way around, even underneath. This drone is made for inspections, search and rescues, you name it, that's what they have it for. Wind resistance up to about 45 miles an hour. She can work in the rain, it's not an issue. She's intrinsically safe. She can fly around power lines within probably about 3 feet of the big KV lines. Got hot swappable batteries. She went up about 5-10 feet. She took a picture of the ground actually at that elevation, so you can see exactly where to land again. So it should land within 2 or 3 inches of the exact spot it came off of. I know GPS is off a little bit, but it took a GPS shot, right? At the same time it took that picture, and then it's looking on the ground, and it's gonna physically look at the features on the ground and say, hey, that's exactly it. I'm gonna land back right here. So it makes it extremely safe. You can pretty much launch and land in a very tight area. And right before it comes in, it's gonna slowly get closer. So that's what, within a couple inches of where it launched? It lands beautifully. Done.